Alright, well, I just woke up and I've been watering the plants, but I've been trying to be patient and not trouble them too many times, you know, just making sure I'm not overwatering and all of that good stuff. So today I'm going to actually remove my Scotch bonnet pepper into this pot right here. This is the Scotch bonnet right here. As you can see, I feel like it's kind of reaching its, I feel like I want it to be in a separate pan now. It's grown a good amount in this container. Got holes at the bottom, holes throughout it, but it haven't been getting enough moisture. Actually, it haven't been getting dry enough. It's actually been staying too moist, I mean. And I think it's kind of stunting the growth a little bit. Scallions are not having no form of issue with the box. As you can see, my scallions are growing pretty well. And even my little ganja. But right now we want to make this pan be for my scallions and possibly my garlics. Just small stuff, smaller stuff. And I'm going to put the bigger things into some separate pans now. Okay, so just a little recap. Excuse me, mommy is doing a video.
Oh, okay.
Just a little recap. This is my cabbage. We're going to be transferring into this pot soon, this plastic container soon. And at the moment, we're just going to take the Scotch pepper now, you know. And also, I have celery, okay? The famous process that I was telling you about as far as, you know, taking it and put water in a container, and we're just taking this right here. This is the whole bottom part of the celery. I already had it in, so you can see it's already kind of growing a little. I don't know if you can kind of notice this little sprout right here. It is actually growing. But anyway, keep it fresh water, making sure the tip is touching the water, and I just set it in there, and we're gonna see what happens, because we know what's gonna happen. Okay, so oh my gosh, alright, we're not gonna talk about my potatoes right now. That's gonna be a whole nother video. But right now we're just gonna change out this right here and get it into here, right here. This right here, and let's do this. Okay? So maybe I should come right here. Can you still see me? Awesome. Awesome. So we're gonna put it in here so that I can have, you know, I wanted to give it its own space. I wanted to have its own space. And here we go. So, what are you doing, boo? He doing his own thing. So right now, yeah, like I said, we're taking this out of the pot. It's been doing this thing, but now I think it's ready to have its own. So first thing first. No. All right. Well, the first thing is I'm gonna pick up the whole thing like this, and I don't have any dirt in it yet, so. The plan is actually to put some dirt in here. Get the dirt going. I like working with my hands. It feels so good. Dirt is moist, you know? But it's all good. Like, it's all good. Don't mind my son back there. I mean, I'm a cleaner. Whoops! Oh, you okay? This is too big for you. Can't you see? You in this room. Hush. I took your toy away. Alright. And we're back. Okay. Daddy, take him. That man in that broom, I tell you. I gave him a little minutes, but he started to take it too far. Anyhow, we're almost there. You see that? Now I'm going to put it in here about this. Let's see, about this amount, yeah. Okay. Look at those roots. I'll tell you. You see those roots right there? I'm gonna try to get them down in there, and then I'll let you see inside the bowl. You just put it down in there, and we're just gonna, yes, make sure that we kind of push the dirt down, and we're gonna fill it up a little bit more. I got my tripod coming in the mail, so this is really about to be on and popping. Right, and there we go. Flatten it down good. I think this is pretty good. I think that he's gonna love his new home, and that's really it for today. I'm actually gonna transfer some of my garlic to a smaller container because they're dying. They're dying. You see, same thing I was telling you about the moisture. These were my garlics. They're dead, but it's okay because look, this gives me hope. This gives me hope right here. Like, you see those roots? This ain't dead, obviously. So I'm just going to plant this one here. You know what? Let's do it. Plant this in. I'm going to plant it into something smaller, just to ensure the growth right now until I get some more pots. You know, we have one, and I think I have one more that's alive. One more that made it. The rest of them pretty much died. You know, see, we still got a little bit of roots right here. You know, so this is going to be my little garlic pot until I figure out something more stable. See? Okay. I understand they ain't going to poke out right now, but they're down in there good. And I'm just going to leave those in. I'm telling you, when those roots get grounded, they're going to stick right up. That's all they need right there. Anyhow, bye.